know me like that song there though.
Yeah, you write it for Keisha.
Me like it. Me go freshen up now, yeah? But remember, see, you can't make nobody know some me there, you know.
I would never do a thing like that. After all, you're still missing, so you don't know nothing.
Alright, make sure.
Yeah.
Yo, Marcus! Yo! Marcus!
Yo, how that, Greg?
Guess what happened next?
Yo, Marcus, they are dealing with Fireball.